the far, far away, this is Taiwan, and I think the other side is more crowded than this side. And can I see at the top of the mountain that was the university I used to go to? That you can see from here. And a lot of rice field used to be more. We are leaving the city, going north back to Taipei. I'm just here for lunch to visit my friend at tea. It's quite expensive for the visit, but it's very time efficiency. You only take, this one is even faster, only 38 minutes back to Taoyuan, and about 18 Canadian, which is good. But for Taiwanese, this kind of visit is a little bit expensive because it's about 1,100 for the tickets. It's not including the traffic from your place to the train station and the train station to downtown. My friend told me it's about $200 NT from the train station to downtown, and which is about 7 Canadian dollar. Everything reversed back to Canadian dollar is nothing. I know, $200 you can have a ride far away, get on highway back to city. But in downtown Montreal, $7 you can only take a taxi ride from Berwick-on to Yikangodia. And now trains getting faster and faster. This is my country. Now we are in the countryside. Most of the people living here are farmers and seniors. Most of the youth, they live in city to make money because there is not much job opportunities right here.